to your app, you can just open up the DJI app. You go into the top corner, the FPV, you see where the orbit is, you click on the orbit, you get a little camera thing comes up, you just click on that, it's a blue camera thing, you click on that, settings come up, you can do all your settings, and then you can save it, and you can name whatever you saved it for, so when you come out today like today, you can get on the mission.
Oh
so the long-awaited landing pad game is about to begin.
The difference.
Ding, ding, ding.
Are you practicing?
No, there's no practicing.
Oh.
We're gonna get, well, because I haven't practiced. Right, we're gonna do the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 drone takeoff. Some of us are nearly on low power, so it might not even happen.
Okay, so I'm on. So first I want to say, can you see me okay? And also, what's I've got a new microphone. Can you see that? I've got the blue ice. So I don't know how that's coming out. So that'll be interesting. I can't hear it. So I'm just going to see how.